Okay, here's my my bumper cover stand. Um, what I built this for is because I paint. I have a small body shop, of course, but but you want to have a stand to put these on when you're working on them or painting them, because you don't want to. You can put them on sawhorses and paint them, but you don't want them falling off on the floor and putting a scrape in them after you did a lot of work and a lot of money fixing them up and painting them and this and that and the other. So what I do is I got this stand, and then after you put them on the stand, they all have holes in them for the moldings or whatever. I'll get my camera here. And what you do is is like you can see they got holes in them here, and you put screws in there and you screw them right to your stand, because that's why you make your stand out of wood, because then you can put screws in them into the wood underneath. See, well, you see if I can get all, see there, you can see where my screw is going there into the wood, and you put two screws in there, and then it isn't going to fall off. And then it's pretty slick because you got wheels under it, and you can. I put this 2x4, this long 2x4 under here too, because that way, when you're working on it or after you painted it or whatever, then you can just grab hold of it right here and pick it up and wheel it along, and pretty slick. And I made it so that you can take these bolts out here, and then it's got these other holes. Let me see, where are they? Got these other holes here. Boy, this ain't working very good with me. But then they're 3 inches apart, and then you can raise it up and down, because when you're painting these, they're real long bumpers. This one here is pretty long. This is of a Honda Accord or Acura or something, and it's really tough to reach up and paint in this area. So if you can raise your bumper up, then you can get it and paint in there and work on it in here and stuff. But because some of the bumpers are this part's even longer yet and closer to the ground yet over here. So then you'd, like I say, you take these bolts out and raise it up and put the bolts back in, and then you're way up here with your bumper, and of course the bottom over there is higher up too that way. But anyway, I'll take the cover off of here. This is an old beat up bumper cover I took off, and I changed onto another one. But yeah, they're not much to them. It's just an old sawhorse, and then I added that 2x6 to the top, and it's pretty slick. It's a whole lot better than having them fall on the floor and getting scuffed up after you did a lot of work painting them. But the reason I know that is because I've done it. So that's enough for now. Bye.